Welcome to Asher's Learning Adventures.
And today we're going to put all those pieces around the park, and Asher is gonna find them and name them.
Yeah, find the pieces.
You're gonna find the pieces?
Yeah.
But first, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.
Woo!
Are you ready?
Yeah, that's all the fruit.
Let's go! Pick up the broccoli. What is this? Over here. What is that?
Broccoli.
Is that broccoli? Let me see. Let me see. Come back. What is that?
Broccoli and the grapes.
Oh, that's the grapes? Where are they?
Over here.
Let me see. Let me see the grapes. Oh my God.
Find all the fruit.
We're finding all the fruits?
Yeah, find all the fruit. There's a fruit in this.
What is this? Over here. Over here. Look at this. What is that?
A chicken.
What is that? Let me see it. That's chicken?
Yes, that's chicken.
Oh, I see more over here. I see more over here. Over here, over there.
Strawberry.
Those are strawberries?
Yeah.
Let me see them. Let me see the strawberries. Oh my God.
There's two strawberries. There's a
Two strawberries?
that's banana.
What is that one?
Banana.
Berenjena? And how do you say it in English?
Eggplant.
What is that? Pretzel?
Pretzel.
What is that?
Yoya.
That's onion. And what is that?
Cheese.
Let me see it. Show it. Show it to me.
So many cheese.
That's a lot of cheese. What is that? A pear?
Yeah.
And what is that?
Two pretzels.
Pretzels? But let me see them. Let me see the pretzel. Put them out. Put them outside and put them on the table. Put the pretzel on the table. Let me see. Wow, pretzel. Put them in the bag. Let's go to the park. What is this? What is this?
I don't know. A fish.
That's a fish.
Where's the fruit? Oh, there's a fruit.
What is that? That's a croissant.
Yeah. Oh, there's a donut.
That's a donut?
No, that's a donut.
Oh my God, that's a donut. Let me see. Let me see. Wow.
Donut. It's like all the fruit.
And go up there. There's more over there.
Yeah, there's one.
What is that? That's
Avocado.
Oh my God, pick it up. Let me see the avocado. Oh wow, yes.
Oh, there's a little fruit.
That's a peach. Wow.
A tomato.
That's tomato.
Tomato. Oh, cheese.
That's cheese. And what is that?
Carrot.
Let me see, show it to me. Wow, cheese and carrot. Put them in the bag.
Yes, I know.
Whoa, cheese, carrot, peach, onion. Wow, we got more. Let's see, what is that?
All the fruits everywhere.
There's fruits everywhere?
Yes, like all the fruits everywhere. Yeah, all the
Okay, go pick them up. That's a donut? That's, oh, what is that?
Strawberries.
Strawberries?
Yeah. Oh,
That's fries?
That's right. It's a banana fry. There's another fry.
What is all that?
Huge fry. No more. Strawberry. Carrot. Asparagus. Avocado. Lettuce. Pretzel. Super fast. Oh no, the cheese.
The cheese is on the floor. Oh my God.
Onion.
Onions.
Onion. Apple and an orange.
Apple and orange?
Yeah. There's a broccoli.
Broccoli, let me see it.
Broccoli.
Oh my God. What is that?
A chicken.
That's chicken?
Yeah, chicken. There's a grape.
A grape. Oh my God.
It's playing inside. Oh, there's a pillow. There's a avocado.
Avocado?
Yeah, potato. It's like I've never seen that.
Ah, there is more cheese over there.
There's a pear. A pear.
A pear?
Yeah, put it inside. Super fast. Wow. Broccoli. Yeah. Onion. Guess this one. Orange. Guess this one. Is a pear. Guess this one. Apple. There one grapes. A peach. They are pepper.
Let me see the pepper. What's that?
A pretzel.
That's a pretzel? Let me see. Let me see. Wow.
There's another pretzel.
That's another pretzel. Oh my God.
It's another pretzel. Four.
Ah, another pretzel. Oh my God. How many pretzels we have?
No, one pretzel, two pretzels, and three pretzels.
Oh my God.
A pen.
That's bread.
Yeah, bread.
That's a croissant.
Yeah, croissant. Oh, a cheese.
Oh my God. Let me see the cheese. Let me see the cheese.
So cool.
So cool. You're right.
Another cheese.
Let me see how many cheese we have.
I want one cheese, three, and
Three cheese?
two strawberries. Two strawberries.
Two?
Yeah, donut. Oh, fish. It swim in the water.
It swims in the water?
Yeah, swim in the water.
Wow.
Oh, tomato.
Tomato. Let me see the tomato.
Let's
Oh, wow.
use a burger.
Wow.
She's gonna eat the tomato.
Wow. Let's see what else is in the bag.
Oh,
Asparagus.
a carrot.
Let me see the carrot. Let me see it. Show it to me. Oh my God, that's a carrot. Oh, and what else is in the bag?
A chicken.
Let me see the chicken.
I
Wow.
didn't want to be.
And what's left in there? Is that fries? Look,
There's two fries.
2 fries.
Yeah, there's two fries.
Wow, look all the things that you have.
The best.
In the book?
Yeah, the best.
Oh, wow.
Where's the yogurt? Yogurt. Oh, there's a yogurt. I see the book. Oh, chocolate. Oh, there's chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yeah, chocolate. Oh, no. A donut.
A donut?
A donut.
Wow.
It's like all the fruits and the vegetables. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.